Hi, I'm Chef Angela Baldanza from Bistro Baldanza of Darien and Baldanza Cafe of New Canaan. And today I'm going to show you how to make our antioxidant acai bowl, which is so healthy and fresh. So let's get started. The following are our list of ingredients for the acai bowl: strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, organic yogurt, banana, granola, acai berry juice, and honey. What we're going to do is blend together in a Vitamixer. We're going to start with just a little bit of ice. I always like to have a little bit of ice in there so it gets nice and super cold. And I'm using an organic yogurt. I have a vanilla flavor here, so I'm putting that in. This is about 1.5 cups of yogurt. And then I'm going to add about 1/2 cup to a cup, depending on how large of a bowl you'd like, of acai berry juice. And this is a wonderful plant-based superfood. So that goes in. And then I'm going to add a few blueberries. Blueberries are another wonderful antioxidant. And I'm going to blend in just a smidge, a little bit, just a drip of honey for a little bit of sweetness. If you don't want the honey, you don't have to put it. And then what we're going to do now is just blend it in the Vitamixer. Going to get a little loud. I think that looks good. Yep, perfect. Now what we'll do is we'll take our bowl and we're going to build. We're going to start with some wonderful organic granola, and this has some dried strawberries in it. So at the base of the bowl, you'll have a nice bit of crunch. Then we're also going to top the top of the bowl with the granola. So you get a nice amount of fiber in there. And now we're going to just pour in the yogurt and acai berry mix. And it's nice and cold with the ice. And then what we'll do now is we're going to top the granola on the top here and make another nice, and this is about 1.5 cups of granola I'm using. And you can use however much you'd like. It gets a little bit messy adding it in here, sorry about that. And spread it around and then just pour the balance in. You get a really nice bit of fiber in there. And then we're going to build around the perimeter of the bowl with bananas. So you're getting a nice assortment of fruit in, different flavors in here, which are really fun in the morning, wake you up nicely. Adding those all around. And then of course color is so important. So we're going to add a beautiful strawberry in the center. I've kind of fanned it out. Some fresh raspberries. And then of course some blueberries to really finish it off and have a nice assortment of color going on. And again, these are wonderful antioxidants as well. So you'll have a very, very healthy start to your day. And here I have another one finished. We serve these for a brunch every Saturday and Sunday at the restaurants. And here you have breakfast for two. Dig in and enjoy. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Baldanza Fashion Plate. Thank you.